repeat of the very first thing we did. We're going to go back where we got the color wheel and the color chart, and we're going to get the next thing, which says a mandala grid map.
And how do I get out of where I was working?
This, you just click behind it. When you see this over here on the side, I'm going to this button right here that says Chrome.
I don't have that on my side.
Or underneath at the bottom.
Underneath. Oh, okay, yes.
It's easier for me to have it on the side because of the way the screen shows up here. So I came back to my blog where I had it open, and I'm going to right click on top of this circle with the lines and go to Save Image As. And make sure it says Where on my desktop, and save the grid on my desktop. So that is right there from the same thing we did before from Google Chrome.
Could you repeat that briefly, please?
You're going to click on Google Chrome. You're finding the circle here. You're going to hold down your right mouse button and go down to where it says Save Image As. And right here it says Save As Grid. Where in the desktop is where you want it to be. Because it might say Documents, but if you did the other one on your desktop, that's where it will be. And click Save. And that, now you can see at my bottom here, it shows the document that I just saved as Grid 1. That's step 1. Step 2 is just like we did before. Find it on your desktop, hold down your right mouse button, go to Open With, and we're going to open it in Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. And then that will show up on my Adobe Photoshop. All right, I am not going to need my color wheel, so right now I'm going to close it. Can always open it again, or my color chart at this moment. So I'm just going to get my grid document open there, and I'm going to make it nice and big, so I'm going to fit it on the screen. All right, what we're going to do is draw sacred geometry lines here, but we're going to start just by making the color wheel straight across lines. And that's with this tool down here that you see if you put your mouse on it. It is called a shape tool. And there's 2 ways you can use it. I want it to be as a shape, which is at the top here. So you want the shape tool and this line tool, and probably black will be easiest to do. Or you can make it a gray or a black. And then you can choose how wide you want it to be here. So I'm going to make where it says fill at the cross be black, and the stroke black. I can choose the width. I can choose how I want my dots to look. I want it to be solid so I can color it in. So we're going to make lines all the way across. You could kind of play with those lines on how you want them to look. I chose mine to have white on the inside. I want it to be black on the outside. Try again. Still have a yellow fill. Fill black. Stroke is not showing up. Stroke. Stroke inside purple. So you can make the outside be any color you want. And the inside, outside black, inside any color you want. That right. So you're going to make lines depending on how you decide these colors are going to be. Stroke, black, all the way across. Have them be black, pink, whatever you want those to be. And